Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Elasticsearch is running and cluster health is green. This avoids rejected index requests. Next, define an index name and draft mappings and settings, JSON so fields are typed correctly. Once done, open Curl or Kibana DevTools and authenticate. You do this because explicit mappings prevent mapping explosions and improve search performance, so apply these definitions before ingesting real documents. You now execute the detailed creation step. Use a put request to slash your index name with settings for replicas, shards, and analyzers plus mappings for each field. Make sure to choose keyword versus text appropriately so aggregations work and full text works as intended. If you manage time series or many similar indices, attach an index template first so every new index inherits mappings and settings. Once applied, verify the response and check cluster/state or get /indexname/mapping to confirm success. You finish by populating and validating the index. Bulk index or reindex data, then run sample queries and aggregations to verify behavior. Make sure to check cat/indices and the index settings to confirm replica and shard allocation. If things go wrong, inspect Elasticsearch logs and look for mapping conflicts or shard allocation failures. These are common culprits. Also, reapply correct mappings or use Reindex API to fix type issues. And remember to update templates when scaling to avoid repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.